Gotta share this with you guys. This is amazing. It is mind-blowing. I was highly recommended by so many people when I posted about curly hair problems and just washing my hair is such a pain, and then straightening it. Yes, I straighten my hair twice a week and it is a pain. It is a pain. So I purchased this, $36. So worth it, so easy, 15 minutes. My hair is dry, looks healthy. All I did was use this to protect my hair before I blow dry it, and that's it. It's smooth, it's straight, it's fluffy. I don't like it when it's flat like with a straightening iron. This is exactly what I want, and you can curve it in the bottom. Go get it.